Hi everyone, this is Matthew again, and this is June 2026. Just like we do every time, we're going to drop many strategies across all the channels the month of June 2026. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So here we're going to be trading the rise and fall again. We're going to continue the sequence, but this time around we're going to be using the moving average indicator. Rise and fall comes with huge reward and also much risk as well. So we'll continue to drop back-to-back strategies on this rise and fall because we got the comments and the message from our subscribers. They kept asking for rise and fall strategies, and we'll continue to drop more strategies across all the channels. So we're trading the V25 1x, and we're on the D-Trader interface. We're using the MA indicator as a moving average. So once you log in, go to moving average indicator, click on moving average, also on the D trader. So this is the gap I'm looking for. It has to be a wide gap between the tick movement there and the moving average indicator. You can see the spot where I place this trade. You can see where the moving average indicator line is, the red line right there. So there has to be a wide gap, and it has to be below the red line. So that's how this strategy works. So we're going to be selling at market once we're in profit, $5, $6, just grab it and trade again. So once you choose the MA indicator, you go to the trade type, you click on rise and fall, click on rise, set your durations to 4 minutes and set the amount you want to stake. So don't forget to watch the spot right there. Watch the spot before you place the trade. Just watch the spot. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So it's already going up. So our mouse will here. So once we hit reasonable amount, we're gonna sell. So it's rebounding. So I'll go back up again. So make sure you're very active and your mouse is on the sell button. So because the market can go, it can rebound so fast. So we're also watching the time count as well. We're watching the time count, so you have to be very fast with it. So once the time count is going down, the sell options becomes unavailable. So make sure you note that as well. Okay. Okay, it has crossed it right there. So let's wait for it to hit reasonable amount so we can close the trade. Okay, so we're going to take 5.70 right there. So that's how this strategy works. Just give a gap, let it go right down below the moving average indicator before you place your trade. So let's check the. So we're currently using the buy sell indicator right here on the MT5. Is the MT5 Deriv trading interface. So we're using the indicator on the V10 chart, on the V25 chart, and the V75 chart as well, and also the Euro USD. That's the Euro USD right there. So you can see some trades are in profit already. How this indicator works is this: once you attach it to your chart, you just wait for it to show this purple. Once it shows this, you sell. Once it shows this light blue, you buy. Then once you're in profit, you close your trade. It works on other Forex broker platform as well that support MT5. We're giving this indicator away, and we're giving it to more than 1,000 traders. So we're still giving it away, and it will continue to be available for new traders who don't have a trading account. So to get this indicator, check the video description on YouTube. Sign up for a free trading account using this link right here. Then subscribe to all our channels. The links are right there in the video description. Then send an email to this Gmail address with the last digits of our account with the subject free indicator. So once we verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you. And for those who already have a trading account, use this form to buy the indicator for $12. And for our Toss Skipper bot, it works on Deriv, and the Pip Stripper bot, they're automated, they're still effective. You can see some of the results in June 2026. The Toss Skipper bot is 9.99 USD, and the Pip Stripper bot is 7.99 USD. And we're giving away free gifts when you order any of our bots. You get some free gifts. Make sure you subscribe to our channels. So the links to order the bots are right there in the video description. To order the Pip Stripper bot, use that link right here. And to order the Toss Skipper bot, use the link right here. And to sign up for a free trading account, for those who don't have a trading account, use this link right here to sign up for a free trading account. And to subscribe to our channels, the links are right there. There are other infos in the video description as well. Just check the video description for those infos. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.